The 1955 Ford Thunderbird was the debut model of what Ford famously termed the personal luxury car segment. While it was Ford's answer to the Chevrolet Corvette, it prioritized comfort, style, and luxury over raw track performance. Luxury touches: unlike many sports cars of the era, it offered high-end amenities like power windows, four-way power seats, and telescoping steering wheels. Sales triumph. In its first year, Ford sold over 16,000 units, vastly outselling the contemporary Corvette, which sold only about 700 units that same year. Historical significance: known as the Baby Bird, this first-generation style lasted until 1957 before the car was redesigned as a larger four-seater.